There.
Black.
Wants to come mining.
Hey, deer.
So this is how it goes. One person mines while the other person kills.
Deer.
So who wants to come mining?
okay?
You want to come mining with me?
Come on, let's go. I want. Come on, let's go.
Go and buy just pickaxe
Well, I got this.
Yeah, I have.
and a bag. I need a grappler because I already got one.
Come into the one boss fight. I'm at the daycare. I'm coming. Don't worry.
Come on, whoever said they want to mine, let's go.
You need a bag.
Mate,
You need a bag, bro. You need a bag.
you need a bag, bro.
I'm here.
One question: can great swords mine?
Wait, I need diamond. Where are you guys?
I'm fire.
I don't
Oh,
know.
We need 3 people left.
Can't reach it, dude. Okay, I'm going to kill the fish.
You can use these spots.
I'm the fish!
Everybody, come to stay.
There.
We're gonna play 1994.
Oh, a torch!
Go.
A torch.
Oh, can I
Someone
have
take
it?
that. These are mine, by the way. I'm the person that kills the
So
stuff.
I will get
so
the
guys,
spiders. Scary.
Yeah, I know, mate.
I'm
They're
going
quite
to
scary.
defeat the
That, they won't really hurt you unless you
I got
hurt
one.
them or touch
Since
their
the
web.
anglerfish monster got
Hey
shot.
guys, let's go.
I am coming to kick the battle with you all guys. One more green.
Oh, there's a
Bro,
lot of
where's the
silver over here. There's a lot of silver over
Let's
here.
go.
and the square game for a diamond sword? That's giant
Found
and
the
galaxy.
Okay, there's a spider right there. Be careful. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. I'm almost dead too. Go up, guys, go up. After this, we'll go in sewers.
Armstrong.
Armstrong!
Help! Kill it!
I'm coming back.
Where are you? Where is it? Where is the soul?
Yeah. Keep my stuff in the back.
Was that his hook shot? No. Give it back, please. This is my pickaxe, please. Bro,
Guys, wait for me.
this is my pickaxe. Please give it back. Bro, please give it back. This is my pickaxe. Thank you.
Guys,
oh,
here it is. Here it is.
Okay, let's go. Yeah. Guys, let's jump. Jump. Oh, wee.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, it's so jumping.
You thought they should add monsters when you come down here?
Wait, guys. Why is everything blue?
I was here before the map got changed into the current one right now. So technically I am OG.
What are jeans?
Original gangster, I think. Or even original Canada or original gangster.
Guys, wait for me.
So guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna mine these whole crystals. raptor's now big. My raptor's big. Mine's smaller though, but mine's big.
All in hell.
All in hell.
Oh. Yo, we're in hell?
Get there! Go!
Why are we in hell?
Got the news.
He's there. He's go up here, yeah. And I think he jumped somewhere. Wait, let's go this way. Yeah, me too. Okay, jump in there, okay?
Stop lying.
I believe in you. Okay, good. Yo, wait. The level is rated?
Sell the hell crystals.
Fuck!
Can someone help me defeat the... Grab a bag or grab...
Wait, no!
Guys, up here! Up here! Yeah, guys.
I'm right here, mate. Up there. Up there. So I'm marking some health crystals. You see all of them up there? Get that. Get all of them.
Why? Wait, I don't
Get
have a
lots of
grappler.
money. Get lots of money.
We don't have a grapplers. Oh shit, no peace. Oh shit, no peace.
Anyone done?
No good.
I died.
Here is the bridge! Here is the bridge! Anybody?
Cat.
Wait. How am I supposed to go up the bridge?
We went
have the hand.
Everybody clap your hands.
Come on, join a room.
Me?
Yeah, you. Yeah, you join a room and we'll join.
Alright,
Sounds like
everyone
the
join
four
me.
smoke.
Join me. Join me.
Join our. Yeah, join also me. Yeah, Dinosaur, join me also. If you want me.
Okay, I'm gonna join this guy.
I need a friend.
Get your chicken feathers out of my way.
Chicken finger stars over. Hey. Hey.
I need superpowers.
Hey.
What should you need to get superpowers?
I know
How to get them?
Alright. Follow me, follow me.
What
Well,
the
we
shit?
Gotta go in the graveyard. No, we gotta go.
Yeah, I'm gonna go in graveyard.
Alright,
We gotta go. We gotta go to what? Circus. Yeah, circus.
Wait, guys. Wait.
I still have it. It's my inventory. Stash.
What? What? You a pooper
It's
scooper?
not like just be over
You
here.
pooper scooping?
Gotta stay over here though. All right. All right. To get the superpowers, we gotta do something though.
Or just get the clock. One shot. Alright, get the clock.
There he is.
Let the content go, guys. Let the content go. Let it talk with you today, yeah. That's what we're going to do. Bro, it's not there. Bro, he's trying to pick me up on that. Man, just throw me in the garbage.
Stop. Guys, lead him to the other area, cause I'm stuck. Lead him this way. Guys, take me.
Finally.
Ugly ass face with your ugly ass bro. Get your ugly ass up out of here, bro.
Megaphone guy. Hi. Oh, I hear the lady.
Oh, wait.
Yo, wait.
My community on
I want to be that pickaxe. I want to be that pickaxe. Come here. Come here, let me see the pickaxe.
Get snapped.
Who wants to join my community on Meta?
People go into the cave.
Think I knew that'd be very cool.
Yo, I heard there's a new plushie in Animal Company.
I've been trying. And they get there. Hi.
Wait, what? Wait, what? What you have been trying?
They get their tans.
No, the opposite. They're like an animal company plushie like around the store. So published by the real animal company people.
Yeah? Wow.
Yeah, I'm just curious if there's any cosmetics you can get with it.
You can't get any cosmetics from there, but you can get cosmetics from over there.
No, with the plushie. Like
They
the-
say when
Yeah?
you're looking for a
Deco.
sister.
Hey.
Do not be like the frog. He was greedy.
I didn't put it up.
What do you mean I was greedy?
Grenade.
Oh, come with you, frog.
I didn't put
Oh
it
my
up.
god. If I see you outside this way, you're essential. Without a face mask,
Begin.
your kneecaps backwards. You were greedy. What do you mean, bro? What are you calling me greedy? Okay, they respawn. Chillax, bro. Is it that serious you need all those coins? What are you gonna use them for?
They say when you're looking for a sister, more to pick the cut of resistance.
Hey guys.
Who wants to be tickled? Who wants to be tickled?
Me.
You want to be tickled?
Yes.
You have to
I've
scream.
been waiting for that for 3 fucking years.
Yo, let me hear you. Can I try, bro? Let me try.
No!
I
promise I just want to try. Here, turn into this.
No, I can't see any answers. No.
Let me try.
7, 6, 7, 6, 7.
Nice. I want to go defeat the boss with me. I've never been to the boss before.
Who wants to beat the boss with me? I've never seen the boss before. Somebody!
Wait!
Who wants to go to circus?
I've got hell crystals in this. A full bag of them. Watch. The full bag of them. Like seriously. Guys, I'm sending a full bag of hell crystals and one extra one. Let's see how much we get.
I'll beat the boss. I'll beat the boss.
15! I just got 15,000. I want to do it again. Hey, bro, I just got 15. I used to have 400. Now I've got this. Now I've got this because I went to hell.
So please give me a broom.
Good day to me,
Which
Richard.
is
Good
rude.
day. Quite a
They
pleasure.
can get
You know,
more.
you are much shorter in real life. Not me. I'd rather go in there. I'd rather go in there.
I go to forest. You just said,
The won't.
yo, I go to
Who
forest.
wants to
Yo,
do
wait.
boxing and Zone 5?
Guys,
I
what should
haven't
I?
got any money right now.
Guys,
so-
what should I? Try to buy the police shield. Guys, is that enough? Try to buy the police shield. Try to buy the police shield.
What police shield?
Yo, whoever wants to come to forest, come to the start of it.
Guys, this is how you fly in the new update. This is how you fly in the new update. Watch this. Watch this, guys.
Got one.
Everybody knows.
Guys, watch this, Guys, everyone here, look at this.
I'm on it.
Can I come with you guys?
Where are you? 5 I want to get trading flashlight backpack for a rubber duck. Seriously, a rubber duck? You can just get those in office. I know that. That's why I'm trading. Is he scared to go into office or something? What did you say? You glitch. What did you? The guy who said that you can get rubber ducks in office want to trade for a flashlight bag for a rubber duck. Rubber duck, cause I'm bored. No, I can't do that. I'm terrible. No, I got shot. You are a monkey. It was a play Squid Games. It was play Squid Games. Back out. Nobody's not going to. Private cut off. Guy taking you. Wants to do a skit with me. came out weeks ago. A month ago, I guess. Yo, Skinner! Can you scan it? Okay. You can fly like umbrella. Now, wait. Oh, do I need to press the A controller or press A or X? Also we need grappling. Ungrab. Press B. You know you control you holding it by. There you go. Wait! You're not at the... the crowbar. I'm not gonna... Me too. If you not do this boss, now they can make this update. They kill the boss. I can't send the fucking stuff. Bro, no one, you know they kill him, you're not gonna get it. Oh. Hey bro. You need the boss, you need to kill them. Order code XXCC1 if you want to do a movie. Order code XXCC1 if you want to do a movie.
Which one do you like more? This beautiful chicken egg.
How are you so big?
Do you want to buy a chicken egg?
Oh, you want to mess?
Or you want to buy some broccoli? So limited distance.
Can you give me that? Can I eat that?
No. Who wants?
Guys, anybody wants to join the code the keyboard cat? Anybody wants to hear keyboard cat?
Okay,
Oh God, this is coming out. That's okay.
Who wants trade for this? Who wants trade for this giant backpack?
What did you say? Are you a chocolate?
No, the camera's dead. My
Guys, I fart too much. Look at me, Blue. 1, 2 meters of it.
Yo, you want trade for this?
Guys, I ate way too much burritos, cause look at me, bro. Black, look at me. I ate way too much burritos. Bro, so did I. Wait, what is that?
What are those pretty rare items?
There you go. Guys, my farts are out of control.
Yo,
Wait, the box.
come together. Alright, bye bye. Guys,
There you
we're
go.
ready for the funeral.
Hold
on.
I'm coming in on. Wait.
Who wants a free gift? It's starting.
Guys, who wants a free gift?
3.
Hold on. Let me put this in my storage.
No!